Hello guys, welcome back. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to fix Instagram music not showing all songs problem. So lots of time whenever you want to post a story on TikTok or Instagram, or you want to post on something on Instagram, but you are unable to find the specific song, or you're unable to find lots of song in your song list on Instagram library. So what you guys have to do is simply open up Instagram application. And after opening up your Instagram application, you have to just simply open up the story section of your Instagram. So I'm just coming back and go to story section and simply open up any of your photo and select any of the photo which you want to add in your story. So I'm just selecting this one. So after selecting that, you guys can see here is the music icon. You just have to simply click on it, and you guys can feel that here are very few songs and you are unable to find a specific song. So what you have to do is simply go back and go back. So what you have to do is, in order to fix this, you have to just simply click on the top right corner of three horizontal lines. After clicking on horizontal lines, you have to just simply scroll down and simply click on creator tools and controls. So you have to simply open up that, and here you guys can see here is a switch account type. So what you have to do is simply click on switch account type and make it to personal account, because some lots of time we have used a business account or creator account, and Instagram music is not available. Some songs are not available for business or commercial use, so that's why they are unable to use in your business account. You have to just simply switch to your personal account. Simply click on it to switch to your personal account. After that, your all song will be visible to you. If this kind of solution will not work for you, what you have to do is simply go to your Play Store, and I'm just coming to Play Store, and simply search for Instagram, and make sure that you have using the latest version of Instagram, and make sure that you have updated the Instagram. So after that, you have to just simply open it. Your issue will be resolved. If your issue is still not resolved, the last option is you have to just simply open up your phone settings, and in your phone settings, you have to just simply search for apps. After searching for apps, you have to just simply click on apps again and simply search for manage apps. And here you have to simply search for Instagram. And after opening up Instagram, here you have to just simply click on clear data. By just clicking on that, you have to just simply click on clear cache and clear all data. By just clearing all data and cache data, your all Instagram bugs and issues will be resolved. So I hope this method find you well. To like, share, subscribe. Thank you so much. Bye bye.